Okay, so I got these guys from Amazon, 25 bucks. They are made by Auto Safety, and it's got the 3M, adhesive, so it should be pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is gonna really clean the insert areas and with like alcohols, and really dry them with like cotton or like a microfiber material, so that the surface is completely clean. So let me see what they look like. So they should go in just like that. So I have to get them like really good. So let's see, find it. What's this one? Okay. Oh. Okay, so it seems to be pretty good. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, wish me luck. Some wet paper towel to do the first layer cleaning. Second wet paper towel. And then I got some microfiber cloth, so you don't want to use dry paper towel. So now I have some cotton base rubbing cloth for alcohol. Really clean it. All right, so ready to go. I'm gonna grab whatever that comes first. So by the way, these guys are thicker ones. They really kind of sticks out. So there are like some really thin ones that more like flush, but these guys are thick and they're metal. They're made out of metal. It's really good quality. Okay, last one. Wish me luck. Let's look at it from the side. Yeah, they do stick out a little bit because they're thicker, and they're not like the completely glossy type. It's kind of like has that matte finish to it. And also it sort of matches with the original V6 letters. All right, so these guys are easy to do. and you just be careful, like one of them like really slippery, so I almost dropped it on the ground. So if you drop it on the ground, then it's gonna ruin the adhesive. So basically just make sure you hold on to it tight. I think I almost like dropped one of them, but yep. So this is my truck just hit 1,000 miles. So I have another video right after this that talks about the 1,000 miles owner's experience and review. So make sure you check out that video as well. I'm releasing both videos at the same time. So all right, peace out, man.